All right, guys. So moving on, there's a couple things you're going to need for this course. It's not many, but just a couple. The first thing you're going to need is an Amazon seller account. And you can register for an Amazon seller account, very, very simply. If you need to, just Google Amazon seller account and sign up for one. You don't have to pay for an Amazon seller account. If you want to start selling more products a month, you can pay, but you have that option. But when you're first starting out dropshipping, you don't need to sign up for a professional seller account like I have or anything like that. You can just simply go with a normal seller account. As you scale up and you start selling more products and you start dropshipping more and more products that are profitable, then you can register at that point. But if you don't want to right away, you do not have to. So the first thing you're gonna need, you see I'm here in Seller Central with all my inventory. And this is obviously all inactive. I'm not going to show you my earnings in Seller Central or anything like that. But that's literally the first thing you need is an Amazon seller account. So you can Google that and register or sign up if you don't already have one. The next thing you're going to need is a coupon site. Now you can elect to do all of these if you want. I'm going to give you 4 of them, or you can elect to do one of them and start with that. If you're going to start with one of them, I would recommend probably Vipon's a great one, honestly. Snagshot's a great one. They're all really great, to be honest. For the sake of this course, I'm going to show you Jump Send actually. But Vipon is phenomenal. Don't get me wrong. Snagshot is also phenomenal right here. And Loot Hoot is really good too. So any of these three outside of Jump Send's obviously what we're using in this course. But they all work great. Now you do have to pay for them when you first sign up. Because of the fact that they generate so much traffic. But if you look and you weigh the odds, say you have to sign up for, a monthly trial of Vipon, which is, I think, especially in the beginning, you can get a trial for all of these, I'm pretty sure. I've never actually drop shipped on Loot Hoot and actually sold on Loot Hoot. I use it as a coupon site for other things. But I'm like 99.9% sure you have to sign up for Loot Hoot. So you have to sign up for all of them, and you can pretty much get a free trial on all of them. But these are the top ones that I always recommend. I use these in a lot of my courses for coupon sites. Vipon gets a lot of traffic. It gets a lot of traffic. So if you want to use Vipon, it's a great one. It's also very, very easy to use, and you can sign up for a free 7-day trial if you want. And that way you can kind of test it out for 7 days. So I'll have these all linked in a document attached to this lecture, as well as attached to the actual lecture itself. And these will obviously all be, linked in those documents for you to click through and check out if you want to. Like I said, you can sign up for one, you can sign up for all of them. But for the sake of this course, I'm going to go with the one that I think works best for this. And granted, they all work great, so whatever one you choose is fine. But I'm going to not go with Vipon. That was that first one. I'm not going to go with Loot Hoot either. I'm not going to go with Snagshot, but I am going to go with Jump Send for this one. So Jump Send is probably what you're going to want to start with, if not Vipon. They're both phenomenal. Vipon gets a lot of traffic. Jump Send gets a lot of traffic. They're both coupon sites, and they're both, fairly easy to use and implement. It doesn't take you any, really programming or website building skills or whatever. You can simply just upload your products once they're there. And then, once they're there, it's pretty easy to, kind of basically get them seen is what I'm trying to say. Now, it's really, really easy. There's 2 ways to do this. You can do this without an Amazon seller account. I think it's better because a lot of the people that are on these sites, have trust with Amazon. They're basically buying coupons for Amazon products. And so you'll have a lot better return on your investment and a lot better engagement on your products if you actually upload them to Amazon first. It's not very hard to do. It's very, very simple. I'm going to show you the entire process here. And just like anything, you can get a free trial on JumpSend. It's not difficult at all. Now, I do have an affiliate link for JumpSend that will also be attached in the document that's connected to this lecture, and it will also be attached. Sorry, I can't speak. It will also be attached to the actual lecture itself. So obviously, you don't have to click my affiliate link if you just want to go to jumpsend.com and sign up. That's totally fine. But I would obviously appreciate it if you did click my affiliate link and sign up through there. If you're already going to go ahead and do it, which is basically what this entire course is based on, and how you're actually going to make money drop shipping, because you're going to benefit. You're basically leveraging these coupon sites that get millions of views a day and millions of clicks on products on these, and you're going to basically leverage all that traffic to make money. So, whereas another drop shipping site might have to pay a bunch of ads or PPC, or Facebook ads or something like that to generate traffic to their site, and then they might make a sale on a small percentage of that traffic. With here, you don't have to pay for any of that traffic. You simply sign up for a monthly reoccurring fee. So if you know anything about, Facebook ads, for example, you could very, very, very easily go above $100 spending, if not more, 500, 1,000 when you're first trying to figure out your keywords, trying to, basically vet your Facebook ads to get the right, target audience and demographic, so that you can remarket back to them, so you can actually make money and start making sales. It takes a lot of initial investment to, get ads going for Facebook or Google or even Bing, to your dropshipping store. So it can be an initial investment from that perspective ad-wise. But with JumpSend or any of the other coupon sites, you don't have to pay for that outrageous amount of fee in the beginning, because there's already millions of people on these sites looking for products that are on Amazon, which is exactly what you're about to bring to them. Okay, so you're basically piggybacking off that million or two or whatever it is, viewers and clicks from these sites, and you're basically leveraging that to make sales and make money. Now, yes, there is a monthly fee, and with JumpSend, obviously you get a free trial if you go through my affiliate link, but you also you only pay $29 a month for JumpSend. Now, that in the scheme of things is nothing, literally nothing, compared to the ad budget that you would have to spend generating traffic to your products. Not only is it literally exponentially less, but it's also, you're also going to get exponentially more traffic. So you're paying exponentially less, you're getting exponentially more traffic to your listing, all because you're simply going through a coupon site like this that already gets a ridiculous amount of traffic. It's a brilliant strategy. Nobody out there is doing it. I've seen a couple of people out there on these sites like me, like me doing it and taking advantage of it, but there aren't many. There's literally maybe, 4 or 5 of them, honestly, whereas there's probably hundreds of thousands, if not more than that, people all drop shipping from the same store on, just Amazon or just on, their own site. So this is going to differentiate yourself, and it's going to make you money because you're benefiting off this traffic. So like I said, if you want to click the affiliate link, it will be attached to this lecture in the document. It will also be attached to the physical lecture if you want to click it that way. But you can sign up for JumpSend through that, and you can kind of go through a free 3-day trial and kind of test it out if you want. But you'll notice that once you list your products on these, you'll notice how much views they're getting, how many clicks and stuff like that, and you won't want to cancel after 3 days. I promise you. You're going to make sales. You're going to make money. Nobody else is doing this. You can be one of the first people to do it.